Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on smart driving in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. All you have to do is go to setting in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the smart and convenient. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in smart and convenient, okay, you can see the smart driving. Okay, click the smart driving. And okay guys, here in smart driving, okay, you can see the turn on smart driving. And okay guys, on the right side, okay, you can see the switch button. Okay, to turn on the smart driving, okay, you'll have to do is switch the smart driving button. And okay guys, when the smart driving is on and when smart driving is turned on, Bluetooth will be turned on and ready for Bluetooth connection in vehicle. You can also add smart driving and the control center to quickly turn it on or off. So okay guys, the smart driving is on. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.